Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you want to, you can do it right now, so before entering the proper Play Store, let's say, or you can simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and enter Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and here we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, this is the list of all apps which can be updated in my case. So all we have to do right now is to mark those which we want to update. So I will update those. Of course, if you want to, you can update all of them. Just mark them and then tap on this update icon. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.